It's about 6 p.m. on Monday, July 22nd, 2024. We're in the last third of July. We're getting a little bit of rainfall right now, not much. It's warm, it's like in the 80s, probably the lower 80s. Very humid, of course. Anyway, the sheep, for some reason, decided they wanted to hang out here in the westernmost part of the row. Not sure exactly why, but here they all are, munching on grass. I moved them here this afternoon. That's my neighbor's bull. He's gotten a lot bigger. My goodness, he's a lot bigger. Well, now they're all scared of me. I don't know why. There's Rami, or Gami, I mean. Gami! Let me feel your belly. Gami. Let me feel your belly. It's a little bit tight. Nah, it's okay. It's not too tight. Gami's doing well. Let's see what else we got here. Where's Rami? There's the older ram, and there's the younger ram back there. I'm not seeing Yami either. The grass in this part is not that good compared to the grass in the eastern part of the row. The grass in the eastern part of the row is very thick. I'm actually quite astounded at how thick it is. Oh, this is Yami. Hey, Yami. How are you doing, little lady? Hey, let's feel your belly. It's a little bit tight, but it's not like a balloon. So, Yami's showing me some love there. Or maybe she just got an itch that she can't scratch. Let's see if we can find Rami. Where is Rami? Where is Rami? Where is Rami? I'm just not seeing him. That that sheep right there has some problems on her back right hoof. She needs to be treated. But I don't have the means of treating her, so let's go back here and look again for Rami. Nope. Look at that weather. He's got some hoof problems too. Oh, nope, that's Gummy, not Rami. Well, the rain's coming down a little thicker right now. I think I'm going to start heading towards the side-by-side to go home. But I did want to see Rami. Say hello to Rami. See what he's up to and how he's doing. But I don't see where he's at. Rami, oh, there he is, right there. Rami, what are you up to, buddy? No, don't run away from me, Rami. Rami! Look at your belly, my goodness, it's huge. I can hear the rain now. My goodness. Yeah, your belly's nice and big, but not tight. So you're doing really well. Okay. I can hear the rain hitting the trees, so I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.